In this vlog, we're going to attempt to try to install these M3 paddle shifters onto my Mini Cooper. We have run across some problems already, so we're just going to head into town so we can grab some screws and other stuff for them, right?
Yeah.
It looked like we also have to order a part on eBay too, so we might not finish it all in this episode, but well, here's to trying, right? Full start?
Yeah, let's go. Please
subscribe, as we really appreciate it. My name is Ethan. This is Joshua, and welcome to Car Creations.
Here it goes.
Sounds amazing. The video is going to be a little bit different today because we're filming the 1000 special, so you just have to bear with us. I brought one of the paddle shifters so that we can test the screw size to make sure it's all hunky-dory. Is that a word even?
I don't know.
Bye, Steven.
Can I come with you to go?
Nope.
We love you.
What an exhilarating clip.
It's a good apple.
Don't try to talk and eat at the same time. You should know that by now. Tunnel run. BMW flexing on everyone here. All right, so it is a long weekend, so places might not be open, but Canadian Tire, please don't let us down. Look at that Mini. I love the green mirror cap, looks good. The rim's pretty cool too. Ready?
Ready.
Look like you're about to mug something.
Yeah. This is European, obviously, German. So it's gonna be metric. Now to find the actual size though.
Well, that didn't work, so store 2. Good news is there's a lot more here.
Yeah, and then these cool little twirly things that don't twirl too well. So I got some 6 by 1/2 inch screws, and hopefully these will work.
All right, so we got the screws. We didn't get to film that much in there because so we're trying to find the right screws, and Joshua's opening up the packages and then threading it to see which one works, and putting them back in. And then one of the employees come over and just stands there and asks what we're doing. Yeah, it was just super awkward.
And then so he kind of helps us we kind of find one, and then we're done, and he just stays standing there.
Yeah, and like while we're talking about personal things like finding lunch and that kind of stuff, he's just standing there watching us.
So I'm like, where's the flashlight? I need a flashlight.
Okay, let's head home and try to put this on before it gets dark.
Yeah,
At least we can get something done today. All right, so we just have to quickly disconnect the battery so we don't get any airbags exploding in our faces. That'd be terrible if that happened, and I'm always worried about that every single time that we do something with the steering wheel.
We won't be showing in depth how to take off the steering wheel, as we already did that in another video. So we will put the video right here and you can check that out. Okay, with the battery disconnected, now we get to the hard part of pulling the center off the steering wheel.
Okay, Joshua, can you push back the seat?
Yeah. This wasn't smart, Ethan. We disconnected the battery before we pushed the seat back.
Oh my goodness. Well, last time, it literally took an hour and a half for us to get this off. But this time, it took me 3 minutes. So, I guess practice pays off.
Practice makes perfect, that's the...
Well, it pays off anyways. So, you just have to pull this down like this and get the last one. Basically, I found that you just have to go like straight up.
If airbag blows up right now, I've got it on camera.
Good. That's why I wanted you on camera. All right. So there we go. Just remember when you're taking out these to take out the screws behind, because I forgot for a second and did some unnecessary pulling and grief and stuff like that.
Fighting.
It's just a Torx 20. And the screw comes right out. All right, so to push these in, we just have to feed this wire right here through the little hole right there. I don't know how well you can see that, but if you look on your steering wheel, and if you've installed the steering wheel with the cutouts on the back, then you'll have a little hole you can feed it through. So I'll just show you.
It's just thin rubber.
Feed it through, and then it's going to go. I believe you can poke it through the bottom into the main part of the steering wheel. And this just fits exactly like that. There we go. Awesome.
You need a screw now.
So now we just have a screw. So this screw is just going to go into this hole right here. See, Joshua? Doesn't go through any metal.
I thought it did.
We had a debate at the store. Quite heated, and we fought, literally, with fisticuffs.
Maybe that's why the Home Depot guy was watching. Kidding, we don't fight like that.
No.
I think if the screw ever goes bad, or like it ever starts to fall off, we'll just get a slightly bigger screw, like diameter-wise, as well as slightly longer.
Today we probably won't be able to get it connected up, because 1, we have to coat it, and 2, we have to get the right wiring harness. So I'm just going to poke this in here, and then we're going to put all this back together, and then put the other one on. And at least we have paddle shifters installed for now, but just not functional. Now how hungry I am. I haven't eaten all day. Been sacrificing for the greater good of car creations.
You ate like 3/4 of an inch of a Mars bar.
True.
That looks solid.
Ooh,
what?
Makes it more clicky too.
What can I feel? I have a feel.
Yeah.
Oh, you've actually get that little.
It tightens it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Ah, nice. So I managed to get it off with the interior buttons all connected as well. That way you don't have to worry about that. So lesson, unscrew the screw on the back before you try to take it out. All right, so I'm just threading this through. It's gonna route it to the bottom. Then we need our fancy screws.
These specialist screws were straight from BMW M factory. M Performance, ordered from BMW.
So it's interesting that when BMW install these, they actually tap the threads into the paddle shifter themselves.
As each screw goes in, because it's just plastic.
Yeah. Some people might think that we're just doing like this redneck job, but we're actually doing it the way BMW does it. All right, this one's in. So of course, because we always learn things, this is a whole flipping lot easier to put in. Nice. Okay.
Put the screw in the back.
And we are pretty much done. All right, with both of those cleanly run, yes, that's the right word, then we just have to snap this back in.
Next video, buying a new airbag, because Ethan exploded one in his face.
There we go. Hey dude, that does look sick.
That does look amazing.
All right, so we have it all set up, at least hardware-wise. We do need to run a cable harness, as well as get my transmission coated, so as the sport transmission, which isn't super hard to do, but we will bring that to you in a video coming soon. We're sorry we didn't get it finished in this one, but this turned out to be a little bit more of a project than we originally thought. And the video we did work on this week, we can't really show you right now because it's for our 1,000 subscriber special. So if you want to see that, please subscribe. And of course, like any other video, please like and leave a comment, as we all really appreciate it. Most of all, we hope you all have a wonderful day. Do you want to say anything?
I have no words. I'm speechless.
He's
My
hungry.
nose is cold, and I'm hungry. My fingers are cold.